Alright folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2009 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 134,000 miles and only 606 idle hours. Original charcoal gray from factory or medium gray titanium. I keep getting that a lot, but it's for me it's a charcoal gray metallic. And then for other people, it's gonna be medium gray titanium in color. Original. It is original paint, so the vehicle does have some tiny little chips, some tiny little scratches, and about maybe I would say 3 to 4 door dings, but nothing big or major to worry about. The paint looks very sharp and very well taken care of, folks. The vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and ready to go anywhere across the state. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a window tint from that department. That appears to be like a medium shade. It's a little bit dark. You can't really see through the vehicle, but this is what the vehicle came out of the auction with from the department. Vehicle does have one hole in the roof where the little black antenna is. Once again, that is there for looks only. It's not knob. If you need to take your car through the express car wash, that antenna is going to stay solid and it's going to stay put and it won't fly away. This is going to be an E85 vehicle. Once again, this is going to be an E85 vehicle, so flex feel okay. As you guys can see, the vehicle has been registered, has plates. We do have the California title on hand, and I have been driving this vehicle around a little bit more than usual. Why? Because I love it. And is registered. Let me come to the back of the vehicle here, folks. On the rear windshield, on the tent, you can see that cutout. That's where the emergency lights were. Decided to leave this alone. The new owner may have new plans for it, who knows, but what you see is what you're gonna get. So it does have the little cutout for the emergency lights. The antenna, folks, the antenna is solid, so it won't go nowhere. It is what it is. It's just there for looks, okay? Folks, once again, the paint looks super sharp, very shiny. He does have a minimal amount of scratches, chips here and there, but nothing big or major to worry about. On the rear bumper, I gotta tell you, you can see maybe somebody ran into it or they backed up into the wall or something. He looked at the bumper, maybe flexed, and he cracked the paint on the bumper. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but folks, it is there. Let me see if I can clean this up a little bit better for us. You can see the little lines. There they go. All right. That's on the rear bumper on the top side only. Now the paint is not chipping. It's still in place, but this is one of the defects that I did see in the vehicle. Okay. So you guys know it's there. And then if we come to the right rear quarter panel, there's going to be a ding right here. You can see it right there. You can see it right here. That's where my fingers are at. It's right here. This is what the car came with when I bought it, took it out of the auction. And before I forget, there's another one right here. Okay, you guys can see that right there. It actually went in the paint. That's about it, folks. These are the 3 little defects that the vehicle does have. If you can see past those 3 little defects, folks, you got yourself a great running looking vehicle. All right, now if you are a customer that say, hey Mario, I don't like the way that looks, we can go ahead and take care of that here for you. You're just gonna pay out of pocket to get that fixed. On the quarter panel, you know, I think that can be resolved with the dentless paint remover, but on the roof, that may need to get painted. I do not know, but either way, I want to let you know what we have here presented in front of you. I do have a new set of take-off tires on the vehicle. These are going to be the Goodyear Eagles RSA 235/55/17. Once again, brand new set of take-off tires on this unit. Full wheel covers are in good shape. They're not making any noise. They're not broken. The vehicle doesn't have any spotlights whatsoever. I don't think it ever had any spotlights installed or built into it, so everything looks perfect in this vehicle, just about perfect actually. On the rear view mirrors here, side mirrors, you're gonna see the beam. They're not up. All right, these are just for looks. All right, this is what the vehicle came with, and I decided to leave them alone. Some more chipping right there, some scratches. Before I forget, I got to tell you, I do have a brand new set of OEM side markers and headlights on this unit. That is correct. Brand new set of side markers and headlights, along with light bulbs. On the headlight bulbs, I gave you the Sylvania Extra Vision, so they're a little bit brighter at night when you're driving at night. I gave the car a facelift. The honeycomb grille looks perfect. Folks, once again, what you see is what you're gonna get. My job is to give you everything I have on this vehicle here. From the perfections on it to the little defects on it, imperfections, here they are. All right, let's go ahead and step it up. The clock is ticking. I need to have time to get everything done. Let's go on the inside. Folks, as you can see, I do have a near perfect interior. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. Matching interior with factory carpeting with matching floor mats. Rear door locks are fully functional from inside and out of the car, so if you do have customers in the back, they'll be able to exit out on their own. Before I forget, this is going to be a Charlie 6. This is going to be a Charlie 6 rear axle. It's going to be the 355 gears. This is going to be a Long Beach unit, 17659. I'm not sure if I covered that in the beginning, but this is going to be a Long Beach unit. This is a California vehicle, so there is no rust on her whatsoever. Driver's side seat is in near perfect condition. Passenger side seat, it's in near perfect condition with a brand new aftermarket center console there to go with it. Carpeting, there's a little wear and tear right there, folks. Wear and tear over there on the floor mat. It is what it is. Electric retractable pedals. How it works. Cruise control does work. One key. One key is what came with this vehicle. Let's go ahead and fire her up. So open the hood. Pop the trunk. Clean this up. Come on, come on, come on. Vehicle does have 134,000 miles. I'm responsible for 1,057 miles driven so far. Remember, vehicle is registered so I can get around town in her. 606 idle hours. That's about it, folks. Ticket light does work. New lens that I bought on eBay. Dome light comes on when the doors open, so I think the blackout is enabled. The blackout option is enabled in this vehicle, so when you open the doors, the light does come on. Air conditioner nice and cold. I did replace the AC actuator module, the one that sits behind the dashboard. Why did I do that? Because the air was shooting up through the windshield or down on the floor. It shouldn't be like that. It should shoot out through the center. So it was a defect AC actuator going bad. So folks, I took care of that. Okay, I took care of that. Air conditioner is nice and cold. Unit 17659. Nice clean trunk, folks. Nice clean trunk. It's got a full-size spare tire in place. There it is, folks. Hold down pen, it's in there, and jack is in the back. That is that. Alright folks, I'm going to step it up. It's starting right to left here. I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have fresh full synthetic 520 oil service and filter. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Transmission was also serviced, Merc on LV on this one. Fluid in filter by Motorcraft. Vehicle does have a brand new battery from the department. It's got a brand new high pressure hose, AC hose here. So I'm guessing that the AC had to be reserviced. When you remove that, by law you have to do it. Vehicle also does have a semi-new water pump. Vehicle also does have a new fan shroud and module on this one. This was all done by the department, folks. Also, I found that the vehicle does have semi-new coils. Also, that was replaced by the department. I didn't do that. I did replace the spark plugs, and the coils were already replaced. Those are new. Okay. Drive belt, tensioner and pulley, yes, they were replaced. And as you guys can see, the vehicle does come with the fail-safe blue silicone hoses. And I also throw in a nice engine cover on this one, folks. Before I forget, I got to tell you that the brakes and rotors in the front are new from that department. Those are going to be the heavy-duty blue motorcraft pad. Rear brake pads were about 60%, so I went ahead and left those alone. No need to be replaced. The vehicle does have a metal skid plate protecting the engine on the bottom. You guys can maybe see that from there. It's got a skid plate down there, so it's protecting the engine. No leaks. She's bone dry. No funny noises. No funny smells. Let's see, am I forgetting anything else? The clock is ticking, guys. I wasted too much time giving you the pointing out the little defects on the right rear quarter panel. I do apologize for that. But here she is, folks. If you have any questions, comments, you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. I'm not sure how long this vehicle is going to remain online. She is in perfect driving conditions to go anywhere across the states. Don't worry, folks. I set you up for success on another great looking vehicle. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys take care. God bless and stay safe out there. Thank you.